an advice, a recommendation, an obligation, an expectation, a future prediction, and an instruction. These are the purposes for which the modal verb should is used in English sentences. Let's understand them with the help of examples. An advice is simply an action that someone is expected to do. Or you can say it is the behavior in which someone is expected to behave. So, when we say you should be respectful to your elders, the modal verb should here in this sentence helps to express the meaning that someone is expected to be respectful to his or her elders. This is how the modal verb should helps to express an advice. A recommendation means a suggestion. It is the offer that we make to someone for a better idea. For example, you should buy a new mobile phone. Now, this is not an advice exactly, okay? It is rather a suggestion or an idea that we are giving to someone. Maybe because someone's mobile phone which is existing is not properly functioning, so he should buy a new mobile phone. The next purpose of using should is our obligation. Obligation simply means our duty. This obligation or duty can be both moral and legal. We should always try to keep our environment clean. Now, this is our moral obligation or a moral duty. Next example, everyone should pay their taxes on time. This is a legal obligation or legal duty. The next use of should is to express our expectations. By expectation, we mean simply a thinking or a feeling that something good will happen in near future. For example, you should feel better after drinking some water. Here, we are expecting or feeling or thinking that if somebody is feeling uneasy, he or she might feel better after drinking some water. Similarly, my cousin should have received the gift by now. Here also we are expecting or hoping that my cousin may have received the gift by now. Should is also used to express future predictions, like the weather forecast says that it should be raining tomorrow. Dinner should be ready in 10 minutes. Lastly, we have the instructions which can also be expressed with the help of the modal verb should. For example, you should first open the brackets and then do the simplification to solve the sum. This is an example of an instruction for solving a particular sum where students have been instructed about the steps to be followed to solve the particular sum. This is all about the uses of modal verb should. Thank you. Bye-bye.